In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Opera browser from your laptop. This process is straightforward and will help you free up space and resources. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Start menu. You can do this by clicking on the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Alternatively, you can press the Windows key on your keyboard. This action brings up a menu filled with options and applications. You will see various tiles and a list of apps. The Start menu is the gateway to accessing all settings on your laptop. It's important to navigate here first to begin the uninstallation process. Next, click on Settings. Once you have the Start menu open, look for the gear icon, which represents settings. Click on it to open a new window. This window contains all the options you need to customize and manage your laptop. Settings are essential for managing applications and system preferences, so finding the right place to uninstall software is crucial. You are now one step closer to removing Opera from your laptop, and that's a great relief. From there, click on Apps. Upon entering the Settings menu, you will see several options listed on the left side. Click on the one labeled Apps. This will take you to a new page where you can manage all installed applications on your laptop. Here, you will find a complete list of all the programs you have installed. Knowing how to navigate to this section can save you time and effort when managing your applications, which is why understanding this step is so important. Now scroll down the list to find Opera or Opera GX. The apps will be listed alphabetically, so you might need to take a moment to locate Opera. This step is crucial because you need to identify the software you want to remove. Finding the correct application ensures you don't accidentally uninstall something else. It's perfectly normal to take your time here, so don't rush. Once you locate it, you're ready for the next step. Next up, click the three dots next to it or click the app directly and select Uninstall. You will see three vertical dots next to the Opera listing. Clicking here opens a small menu. Selecting Uninstall will prompt the uninstaller to appear. This action is critical as it initiates the removal process. You can feel assured that you are on the right track to completely removing Opera from your laptop. After that, check the box that says Delete my Opera user data when the uninstaller prompts you. Then click Uninstall. This option ensures that all your personal data associated with Opera is also removed. This step is essential because it prevents any leftover files from taking up space on your hard drive. Once you select this option and click Uninstall, the process begins. You might see a progress bar indicating that the uninstallation is in progress. This gives you reassurance that the process is moving forward. Once that is done, you'll receive a confirmation that Opera has been uninstalled. This is your final reassurance that the software has been successfully removed from your laptop. You can now close the settings window and enjoy the extra space and resources. You've successfully completed the process, and now your laptop is free from the Opera browser. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful.